The Porsche 911 is one of the most enduring sports cars ever created, a machine that has survived decades without losing its original identity. First introduced in the early 1960s, the 911 challenged conventional sports car design with its rear-engine layout and distinctive silhouette. While many critics once questioned its configuration, time proved that Porsche's vision was not only correct, but revolutionary. One of the key factors that cemented the 911 as a true sports car was its engineering philosophy. The rear-mounted flat-six engine provided excellent traction, especially during acceleration. This unique setup gave the car a driving character unlike any other. While early models could be unforgiving at the limit, skilled drivers discovered that the balance and responsiveness made the 911 incredibly rewarding to drive. What some called a flaw later became its greatest strength. Restoration has played a major role in preserving the 911's legendary status. Unlike many vintage sports cars that suffer from fragile construction, the 911 was built with durability in mind. Its robust mechanical components, simple electronics, and strong chassis made it ideal for long-term ownership and restoration. Enthusiasts found that older 911s could be rebuilt, upgraded, and driven regularly without losing their original charm. During restoration, key elements such as the air-cooled engine, lightweight body panels, and precise suspension geometry are often returned to factory specifications. These factors preserve the purity of the driving experience. In many cases, restoration improves reliability without compromising performance, allowing vintage 911s to remain usable sports cars rather than museum pieces. Was the Porsche 911 good or bad as a sports car? Initially, opinions were divided. Some felt the rear engine layout made it dangerous, especially for inexperienced drivers. However, Porsche continuously refined the suspension, weight distribution, and chassis tuning. Over time, these improvements transformed the 911 into one of the most balanced and capable sports cars in the world. The 911's success in motorsport further proved its greatness. From endurance racing to rally stages, the car demonstrated that its design was not a limitation, but an advantage. Restoration keeps this racing heritage alive, allowing classic models to compete in historic events and continue proving their capabilities. Today, a restored Porsche 911 stands as a perfect example of engineering evolution done right. It shows that a sports car does not need to abandon its roots to remain relevant. The 911 was not a flawed idea, was a misunderstood masterpiece. Through thoughtful restoration and continuous development, it became one of the finest sports cars ever built, respected for both its character and performance. As the Porsche 911 continued to evolve, restoration practices also matured, revealing just how forward-thinking the original design truly was. Early long-hood models, once considered outdated, are now among the most desirable classic sports cars. Restorers discovered that the 911's modular construction allowed engines, gearboxes, and suspension components to be rebuilt with remarkable precision. This made it possible to return even heavily worn cars to near-factory condition, something that was far more difficult with many other vintage sports cars. One of the most important restoration factors that reinforced the 911's status as a true sports car was weight management. Early 911s were relatively lightweight, and restorations often focus on preserving or reducing mass by using correct materials, proper trim, and period-accurate parts. This emphasis on lightness enhances agility, steering feel, and braking performance score qualities of any genuine sports car. When restored correctly, the car feels alive, responsive, and engaging in a way modern, heavier sports cars often struggle to match. The air-cooled flat-six engine is another centerpiece of restoration. Its mechanical simplicity, distinctive sound, and direct throttle response define the 911 experience. Rebuilding these engines restores not only performance, but also the emotional connection between driver and machine. Unlike modern engines filtered through electronics, A restored 911 engine communicates every vibration, rev, and mechanical movement, reinforcing its sports car identity. Suspension restoration also plays a critical role. Early criticisms of oversteer were largely due to outdated tires and worn components. With correct suspension geometry, bushings, and period-correct tires, the 911's handling becomes predictable and confidence in springing. Rather than being bad, its behavior demands respect and skill traits that many enthusiasts consider essential to a true sports car. Interior restoration further highlights Porsche's driver-focused philosophy. Simple dashboards, clear gauges, upright seating positions, and excellent visibility place the driver at the center of the experience. Restoring these elements preserves the raw, purposeful environment that separates sports cars from luxury grand tours. Ultimately, restoration has proven that the Porsche 911 was never a flawed sports car, was simply ahead of its time. What once seemed controversial is now celebrated as character. Through careful restoration, the 911 reveals its true nature, a machine built to be driven hard, understood deeply, and appreciated for its honesty. It is neither good nor bad by modern standards, it is timeless. And that timelessness is what secures the Porsche 911's place as one of the greatest sports cars ever created. Another important aspect that restoration highlights is the Porsche 911's build quality and long-term engineering integrity. Unlike many sports cars of its era that prioritized excitement over durability, the 911 was engineered to last. The galvanized bodies introduced later, strong engine internals, and overbuilt components meant that many classic 911s survived decades of use. Restoration experts often find that even neglected examples still have solid foundations, proving that Porsche designed the 911 not as a disposable performance car, but as a lifelong machine. Restoration also reveals how adaptable the 911 platform truly was. Over the years, owners and restorers discovered that the same basic structure could support road cars, track-focused builds, rally cars, and endurance racers. This adaptability is a defining sports car trait. A properly restored 911 can be driven daily, raced on weekends, or displayed at concours events without losing its identity. Few sports cars offer such versatility while remaining true to their original character. From a driving perspective, a restored classic 911 delivers sensations that modern sports cars often lack. The unassisted steering provides direct feedback from the road. The manual gearbox demands deliberate input. The throttle response is immediate and mechanical. Restoration preserves these elements, reminding drivers that sports cars were once about involvement rather than isolation. Every journey feels earned. Every corner becomes a dialogue between driver and machine. Critics once labeled the 911 as bad because it refused to follow conventional mid-engine or front-engine layouts. Restoration has proven that this unconventional thinking was exactly what made it special. When returned to proper condition, the weight over the rear wheels enhances traction out of corners, while the light front end sharpens steering response. What was once feared becomes addictive in the hands of an attentive driver. Historically, restoration has also elevated the 911's cultural value. Early models that were once inexpensive, used cars are now cherished collectibles. This shift happened not because of nostalgia alone, but because restored examples demonstrated just how well the car performed even decades later. The 911 aged gracefully, something only truly great sports cars manage to do. In the end, restoration does more than preserve the Porsche 911. Knight explains it. It reveals why the car endured when others faded away. It answers the question of whether the 911 was good or bad by proving that it was simply different, bold, and uncompromising. Through restoration, the Porsche 911 stands as a lesson in engineering confidence. Trust the idea, refine it patiently, and let time prove its worth. The Porsche 911 is one of the most enduring sports cars ever created. a machine that has survived decades without losing its original identity. First introduced in the early 1960s, the 911 challenged conventional sports car design with its rear-engine layout and distinctive silhouette. While many critics once questioned its configuration, time proved that Porsche's vision was not only correct, but revolutionary. One of the key factors that cemented the 911 as a true sports car was its engineering philosophy. The rear-mounted flat-six engine provided excellent traction, especially during acceleration. This unique setup gave the car a driving character unlike any other. While early models could be unforgiving at the limit, skilled drivers discovered that the balance and responsiveness made the 911 incredibly rewarding to drive. What some called a flaw later became its greatest strength. Restoration has played a major role in preserving the 911's legendary status. Unlike many vintage sports cars that suffer from fragile construction, the 911 was built with durability in mind. Its robust mechanical components, simple electronics, and strong chassis made it ideal for long-term ownership and restoration.